Hello and welcome to my tutorial. I will show you how you can import your structural model in ETABS software into FreeCAD with my OSAFE, with my Civil Tools workbench. For this, you click Import ETABS model into FreeCAD and then click import. The software try to import frame elements, 25/7 frame elements exist in this model, and then area elements like floors and walls. There is 62 floors and walls elements. The model has been imported into FreeCAD, and you can see the model. There is a Civil Tools view that I borrowed from a BIM workbench wrote by Yorick Van Over, if I spell it right. In this view, you can select each story you want to view it, or combination of them. You can select multi-story. You can hide beam, columns, brace, floors, shear walls, and arch walls. I will show you how you can create walls on beams in this model easily. You execute wall command and select FreeCAD. Then in model, you must select beams that you want to draw wall on it. Control, select beams. I selected those beams that I want to create wall without opening on it. In this window dialog, I select the load pattern that I want to apply the wall load on ETABS, mass per area of wall, opening ratios, that is 0, and wall height that I set auto to program determine it, and select all stories to draw all walls on all stories. And there is options for start and end of wall that can be relative or in real distance. That this shape explain that. Or you can override the height by clicking this override. I click assign and program calculate the draw walls on beams with one click. If there is no beam on top of beam, on top of wall, the program give the height from this input, parapet wall height. And if you want to create a wall with opening, it's not matter which story you can select the beam. You must select the stories in this dialog. I set it to 30.3 and assign the wall in on this beam. It creates a window on center of each wall, but not the wall that not have any beam on it. You can easily create the walls in your project and then apply this load in ETABS model. I select all object in this model ETABS and clear the existing load on load pattern D, display load assign frame. There is no load on it. I select assign and program assign the wall loads on ETABS model. Display load assign frame dead. Okay. All loads of frame applied to this model exactly because the program calculates the height from top of bottom beam, top of bottom beam to bottom of top beam. And for windows, it calculates the area of wall exactly. This way you can easily apply all wall loads in your ETABS model. Thanks you for watching. Excuse me for my poor English. Thank you.